Have you ever wondered why love seems so elusive or why your relationship feels stuck in a repeated cycle in life? What if I tell you that the answers to finding true love in 2025 might already be written in your Akashic records? Stick with me because today I am sharing a transformative Akashic record ritual that could open the doors to your most fulfilling relationship yet. Hi, I'm Sanskriti Sethi, your guide to unlocking the mysteries of your soul, transforming your relationship through the power of Akashic Records. Whether you're searching for your soulmate, struggling to connect in your current relationship, or simply looking to align with your love life, this video is for you. We are going to explore how Akashic Records is a sacred, energetic archive of your soul journey that can be the key to manifesting love in 2025. I'll walk you through a simple ritual to get started and reveal how you can take this transformation further. Now let's start by understanding what are the Akashic Records and why are they crucial for love. The Akashic Records are essentially a spiritual library containing every thought, action, relationship from all the lifetime. Think it as an ultimate relationship manual that is created specially for you. They hold insights to why you attract certain partners, what karmic patterns are blocking your path to love, what soul lessons you have to learn in your relationship so that you can attract the best version. By accessing the records, a person can identify, clear the old patterns, open up the new energy to attract the love you truly desire. Number 2. Why is 2025 the perfect year to manifest love? 2025 is the year of closure, alignment. What you've done in last 9 years, it's time for the final results. It's the time for rebuilding, manifesting, deeper connection. By setting your intention now, you're preparing yourself for next year. You're tapping into the wave of the universal energy, especially there for you to attract love, heal yourself, heal your relationship, align with your soulmate. And now get ready for the Akashic Record ritual for manifesting love. So here is the step-by-step ritual that you can practice to start clearing your blocks and align yourself with the frequency of love. Step 1. Prepare your space. Find a quiet, small, big, doesn't matter, but a space which you can comfortably call it your space. Light a candle, diya, preferably pink or red in color, which symbolizes love and connection. Place a crystal like rose quartz or clear quartz nearby to amplify the energy of love. Step 2. Set your intentions. Take a deep breath inside and close your eyes. Visualize what love feels to you. Is it the peace, joy, safety? Focus on the energy. Spend time with yourself and imagine that specific person or specific trait that you're looking in your love life. Step 3, it's time for meditation. Sit and quietly connect with your heart chakra. It is going to raise your vibration, quiet your mind. Imagine yourself standing in a beautiful library, which is Akashic Records. Step 4, ask the right questions. Yes, it is important to ask the right questions rather than just asking questions. Silently ask your records, what blocks I had when it comes to love? What karmic patterns am I ready to release? What steps can I take to align with my soulmate in life? Step 5. Receive and release. Pay attention to the emotions, guidance, images, thoughts, colors, whatever is coming into your way, and write them down. Once you have clarity, imagine releasing these old patterns in the flame of the candle, symbolizing letting go in life. Step number 6. Seal the ritual with gratitude. Thank your Akashic Record for the guidance. Say it out loud from your heart that I'm ready to receive the love that I desire. And now, why you should book an Akashic Record reading. While this ritual is a powerful starting point, accessing and interpreting your Akashic Records is a deep process. When you book an Akashic record reading with me, we are going to dive deeper into the specific block, the specific karmic pattern, identify the past life baggage affecting your relationships today, map out accountable steps to manifest true love in 2025. Imagine a relief of understanding why love has felt so challenging and the excitement of stepping into the future where love flows effortlessly. Manifesting love isn't just about setting intention, it's about doing the inner work, clearing your shadow, aligning your energy with desires. The Akashic Records holds the answers that you have been searching for, and now is the perfect time as you start this year. So if you are ready to transform your life, book your Akashic Record reading today. Let's uncover the soul lessons that you are here to learn and clear your path for a love fulfilled 2025. Drop a comment below if you tried this ritual and if you had any questions. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more videos on spiritual growth and transformation. See you in the next video. Book your Akashic Record reading now. The link is given in the description box. You can directly book the reading from www.sanskritiseti.com or hop on to my WhatsApp number +919634003939. My team is waiting for you and Akashic Records are calling you. See you in the next video.